Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the Nikon Aculon A2 1110-22x50 binocular, a powerful zoom binocular designed for long-distance viewing, wildlife observation, and outdoor adventures. Let's start with what makes this unique, the zoom capability. This is a 10-22x50 binocular. That means you can adjust magnification from 10x all the way up to 22x. So whether you're scanning a wide landscape or focusing on a distant subject, you have flexibility in one device. Now let's talk optics. These binoculars use a Porro prism design, which is known for delivering excellent depth perception and strong image contrast. Combined with multi-layer coated lenses, you get improved light transmission and brighter images. The 50mm objective lenses gather a solid amount of light, which is helpful for early morning, evening, or cloudy conditions. But here's something important: at higher magnification like 22x, hand shake becomes noticeable. That's why Nikon made this tripod adaptable. Mount it on a tripod, and you unlock stable, detailed long-range viewing. Now about comfort. The turn and slide rubber eye cups allow you to adjust eye relief easily. That means comfortable viewing whether you wear glasses or not. The central focus knob is smooth and responsive, making quick adjustments easy. Build quality: solid and durable. The rubber armored coating improves grip and provides protection during outdoor use. Who is this binocular for? Wildlife observers needing variable zoom. Outdoor sports spectators. Astronomy beginners. Travelers exploring distant landscapes. Hobbyists who want flexible magnification. Let's pause for a moment. If you want one binocular that can handle both medium-range scanning and high magnification zoom without buying multiple devices, this is a practical option. It's not ultra-compact, but it's designed for performance and versatility. In summary, the Nikon Aculon A2 1110-22x50 delivers flexible zoom magnification, bright optics, tripod adaptability, and Nikon reliability, making it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want power and control. Hey guys,